Assalamualaikum, grade 6 online with computer. Grade 6, now we are going to start chapter number 8, computer viruses and their effects. And after reading this chapter, students will be able to discuss different points related to this chapter. First step is describe computer virus. List the ways in which virus enter computer. Discuss symptoms of a computer virus. Now the history of computer viruses. Describe the types of computer viruses. Learn how to protect the computer from virus. Now about antivirus program. Scan the computer and other devices using antivirus. Update the antivirus. Now our first topic is computer virus. This question is, what is virus? A computer virus is a program that is secretly introduced into your computer system and it infects the computer system negatively. It spreads from one computer to another computer, and a virus destroys or corrupts the data file on the computer system. Virus is a Latin word which means poison, and virus stands for Vital Information Resource Addresses, and it does stands alone but needs a host file or program to duplicate itself. It disturbs your computer working and disturb your computer system. How a virus enters the computer system? Virus enter your computer system by using different ways, from CD, pen drives and other portable devices. These are three different ways in which computer enters your computer system. From email. Virus may enter into your computer system through email. From the internet. By using internet, virus can enter into your computer system from a computer network. Computer network is a large collection of computers that are connected to each other, and a large one computer is called server. And virus enter into your computer system by using a network system. These are the multiple choice questions related to this lecture. A virus corrupts the data files on your computer. A virus needs a host file. A large computer which connects several other computers is called server. Symptoms of a computer virus. There are the symptoms when a computer is affected by a computer virus. Computer might run slow, corrupt your system files, make some programs faulty or corrupt. It steals your important information from your computer and send to the other people on the internet. Application programs on the computer does not work correctly. The computer locks up by itself, which means it stops responding to your command. It makes endless copies of infected file. Strange sounds or beeping noises comes from the computer. Unusual error message are displayed on the screen, and hard drive often runs out of free space. Now we are going to discuss history of computer virus. The first computer virus was known as Ecloner. It was created by Ritz Granta in 1982. This virus attached itself to the Apple-DOS 3.3 operating system and spread through floppy disk. The first PC virus was a boot sector virus called Brain, and it was created in 1986 by two brothers to prevent pirated copies of software they had written. Since the mid-1990s, macrovirus have become common. These viruses spread through Excel spreadsheet and Microsoft Office documents. Nowadays, internet is the most common means or source of spreading virus. Email are also one of the most prominent means to spread virus. Types of computer virus. There are many types of computer virus like boot sector virus, email virus, file virus, worm, Trojan horse, and macrovirus etc. First we discuss about boot sector virus. Boot sector virus is the area of a floppy disk that stores valuable information. They cause damage to the stored information. Example of boot sector virus are Polyboot V and NTX. Email virus. Email virus spread through email and other attachment files. Once an infected attachment is opened, the file infects the computer system. File virus. A file virus infects computer programs or executable files with .dot extension or .com. When an infected program is run, the virus becomes active and infects other executable files on the computer system. Example of file virus are Cascade and Sunday are of files viruses. Next one is worms. A worm is a malware program that duplicates itself. The virus does not need any host file to attach. Worm can spread very fast and in great number. Example, Sensor and Blaster. Trojan horse is a program that appears to be beneficial at first glance, but actually damages the computer once it runs. And it can also steal the important information from the computer. Beast and Zeus are example of Trojan horse. Some example of damage caused by Trojan are corrupting and encrypting files, copying fake links which lead to false website, opening the closing CD-ROM, restarting the computer, randomly shutting down the computer, slowing down your computer, taking screenshots, logging keystroke or steal information such as password and credit card number etc. Last one is macrovirus. A macrovirus infects the macro within a document or template. When you open an infected word processing or spreadsheet document, the virus is activated and infects the template. Example of macrovirus are Melissa and Concept virus. These are the objectives related to our previous lesson. The first PC virus was created in 1986. Email virus spread through emails. Worm is a malware program and Melissa is an example of macrovirus.